So, hello, my name is Young Kim from South Korea, and today I will be presenting my project called A Study on Physical Stimulation to Alleviate Parkinson's Disease Exercise Problems. So, these are the table of contents, as you can see. And now, I would like to start off with significance and the purpose of the study. So, Parkinson's disease is a neurological disorder which is affecting about 1% of people all around the world aged 60 and older. And Parkinson's disease causes two kinds of symptoms, which are motor symptoms, which are related to our physical skills, and non-motor symptoms, which are related to our physiological things. And current medicals like surgery or medicine, they can't perfectly cure Parkinson's disease, and they're kind of invasive, so it can be dangerous to us. So I think there's a need to find a not invasive way to cure Parkinson's disease. So I would like to introduce my key experiments. There were four experiments that I did. The first one was weight-based stimulation of muscle relaxation and rigidity. This was the experiment where I used weights to kind of simulate the motor symptoms of Parkinson's disease. And there were three kinds of stimulation experiments. The first was electrical stimulation, and the second was vibrational stimulation. The last stimulation was the first electric and vibrational stimulation put into one. So I kind of wanted to see how the physical stimulations helped Parkinson's disease motor symptoms. So there were basically 7 participants in my research. They were not Parkinson's disease patients, but still, if the motor skills of normal people get increased, I thought it will have the same phenomenon in the Parkinson's disease patients. So there were seven participants who were aged the teenagers, 20s people, 30s people, 40s people, and 50s people, and the teenagers and 20s people were both 2 people each, and 30, 40, 50s people were 3 people. So that makes a total of 7 people. So this was the experiment results. So this was the first experiment, which was simulating the motor symptoms, and it was successful. So as the weights on the participants' wrist increased, it showed similar problems as Parkinson's disease motor symptoms. The time it took them to do a task took much longer. And all 3 stimulations, the first one, the second one, and the third one, as you can see, there's a change in the time they needed to complete the task. So I think the stimulation experiments were also very successful because the time they needed to do the task when they had the stimulation were less than the time they needed to do the task without the stimulation. So this is the conclusion. So I think my research can help the Parkinson's diseasers by this non-invasive method of curing the motor symptoms. It's not invasive, so it's not dangerous. So I think it will be much better than invasive ones like surgeries and medicine. So the significance can be thought as scientific, social, and clinical significance, and all 3, as I already said, I think can help our society very much. So if I am to conduct this research more, I would like to see the difference between the age and genders and all other various kind of differences. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you.